Cabbage is a true longevity rock star. It's a staple for people who live to be over 100 because it's packed with sulfur-based compounds that help repair our DNA. I love how it keeps my cells from making mistakes as they age. Start by thinly slicing your cabbage. The thinner you slice it, the better it absorbs the savory sauce. Make sure to rinse the sliced cabbage thoroughly and drain any excess water. Next, slice half an onion. I find that onions add a natural sweetness that perfectly balances the spicy kick in this recipe. Now let's whisk the sauce together. Mix the soy sauce, chili powder, honey, sesame oil, and garlic powder in a separate bowl until well combined. Heat some olive oil in a large pan over medium-low heat. Add the cabbage and sauté for about 3 minutes until it starts to wilt and become tender. Once the cabbage has softened, add the onion and continue to cook until it becomes translucent and fragrant. Pour that beautiful, spicy sauce over the vegetables. Stir well to make sure every piece is glazed and has absorbed all the flavors. Finally, add your cooked quinoa and give it a good mix to combine everything. Transfer to a bowl and sprinkle with some sesame seeds if you like. You'll be surprised by the first bite. It tastes incredibly similar to kimchi fried rice. It's such a simple way to enjoy a healthy, flavorful meal that supports your liver and brain. If you love this well-aging twist on a classic, hit subscribe. Eat well, age well.